Dreamhost is an excellent choice for any business or individual looking for a quality hosting provider and also has a great Dreamhost hosting review. Their services are reliable, affordable, and packed with features that will help your website succeed. In this Dreamhost review, we will discuss about services. Hosting services. Hosting services are a necessity for any website. Dreamhost is one of the best hosting providers out there, and their services are top-notch. Dreamhost offers various hosting services, including shared hosting, VPS hosting, and dedicated server hosting. WordPress service. WordPress hosting service is a web hosting service focused on providing the best hosting environment possible for WordPress websites. This hosting service is specifically designed to make it easy for WordPress users to set up and manage their websites. In addition, many WordPress hosting services also offer features designed to help improve the performance of WordPress websites. Dreamhost offers various packages for your business, whether you are just starting or have been in business for years. They have an affordable plan that will work well for you. It also offers website builders, custom web design, various domain names, email hosting, and Google Workspace services. So if you're looking for a great web host, Dreamhost is the way to go.